Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outer space outfit using the new accessory adjustment feature on Dress to Impress. I'm not going to start from the beginning because it did take me a while to get here, but I'll show you guys like the accessory adjustment and what I used. So I used this hat for this beanie for the Saturn planet. For the Saturn planet, I used this brown color, this one, and set it to the foil material. This is the accessory adjustment that I have on for the planet. So X at 0.0 for the position. Rotate, I rotated at 0.0 as well. For the scale, I did 0.25. For the ring, I did kind of the same material for the first toggle. The second one, I just colored it in white, and then I did a neon material on it. For the position, for the adjustment, I did 0.0 for the X. Y, I did 0.47. For the rotation, I did 0.63. And then for the scale, I did 0.17. Now, I used the fur hat for the sun. I used the fire pattern. For the accessory adjustment, I did position 0.27, Y at 1, Z at 0.8. Rotation, I did X at 1, Y at 0.47, and Z at 0.68. For scale, I did 0.26. And for the spiky things, I did use this one. If you don't have it, you can use the one you got from Style Showdown. I just colored it in yellow and I did a neon material. I don't know if that really makes a difference, but I did that. For the accessory adjustment, I did 0.21, Y 0.94, and Z at 1. For the rotation, I did X 0.67, Y at 0.5, and Z at 0.5, and for the scale I did 0.19. And then for the big, I think this is Jupiter I'm trying to make here, I selected this hat. I did no ribbon, and then I colored it using this swirly gold pattern here. For the accessory adjustment, position it at X1, Y 0.74, Z at 0.5. The rotation, I did X at 1, Y at 0.1. Okay, I did 0, sorry. Z at 0.20. For the scale, I did 0.41. And lastly, we have the moon. I just used this beret. And then I used gray. I colored it in this gray. And then used the foil material. For the accessory adjustment, position it at X1. Y 0.12, rotate it at X 0%, Y at 0.5, and Z at 0.5, and lastly for scale I did 0.16. You don't have to have it the same, but you can do this so you don't have to figure it out like I did just now. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.